Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we'll be decorating a Christmas tree. This video is a collaboration hosted by Heidi Sambel and Crystal Hansen. Let's get started. So the Christmas tree that we're going to be decorating today is a 6-foot pre-lit tinsel silver tree that was purchased at Walmart for about $25. Here I wanted to show you what the tree looked like in the box. And here is the hardware for the base of the tree. Pretty sturdy. I have no complaints with that. Also, I'm showing you the 9-foot flocked garland that we will be using to transform the tree. As you know, anytime you buy a garland or anything like that, this package in the box is always compressed and you're going to need to fluff it out. So you see it compressed, and now you see where I've pulled it apart a little bit to make it look fuller and to give it a better look. I'm giving you a shot of the actual tinsel tree and how it looks, and it's sparse. It has lights, but remember, it's a $25 tree. Here's a look at the tree beginning to transform with the flocked garland. I'm going to actually secure the garland in more and give you an idea of what the tree looks like. I don't have the same picks that I used, but I'm going to use some picks that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just fluffed them a little bit and stuck them inside of the tree to give you an idea. Now I'm going to show you my tree. I am a traditional color type girl when it comes down to Christmas and fall and things like that. I do venture out with other colors, but the reds and the greens are just my favorite. So in this particular tree, you will see that I use most Walmart things and a few Dollar Tree items as well. So up top, the white flocked picks are from Walmart, and I believe they were like 97 cents. The poinsettias were about $3 to $5. Walmart again. I took my ornaments and I grouped them in groupings of 3. I didn't hot glue or anything because I want to use them again. And you'll see that I use various picks. I use some iced eucalyptus, and those picks come from Dollar Tree, and they're actually 97 cents, so it's a huge deal. You just can't beat it. So this tree can be recreated for minimal money if you're on a budget, or if you're decorating multiple trees, and that can be expensive as well. So I like to take the opportunity to thank the ladies for hosting such a wonderful collaboration. I got an opportunity to show you guys my tree. I hope you'll go by and visit all of the ladies. Thank you so much for visiting with me, and come back on Wednesday for Bow Wednesday. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.